What's good? What's good? Y'all know what it is. Y'all damn sure know what it ain't. We back with another video. You are tuned in to F.O.M. DTF. My name is AL. This is the channel. We doing something a little bit different today. We ain't doing no printing. I finished printing out a gang of images on Goliath back here. Well, not Goliath. I keep saying Goliath, but on Mammoth back here. Haven't printed with Mammoth in so long. It's been like almost a week. I want to say 3 or 4 days to a week. Why? It's because some of my orders I've been doing on one printer. They haven't been super large orders, and I'm doing a little cleaning by the power the printer off. But I'm gonna show you guys what we have and what we printed out. Show you guys what we got. Print out this nice color Mickey Mouse that's right here. So you know, Mammoth, he was happy printing. I got the whites kind of good because it was kind of banding a little bit because I haven't been printing with it for so long. I'm gonna be real with you guys, and we got the whites dialed in. They back up. Printed out this little image right here with this little Scooby-Doo. Nice little Scooby image right here. Got them turquoises in there popping. Got the whites laying good. They're getting darker. And that's what we did. So we was basically just printing out different images. Oh, get that back up there. I gotta dry these images. They're not dry, but let me show you some more images we got. Got another image we printed out right here. So you got that vibrancy. I powdered this one right here because it's going ready to go and get dry. All these images I got up here are actually powdered. And show you I did this one right here. Grinch vibes. I'm about to make me a big, this about to be a sweatsuit. I'm about to actually put it on the sweater, put it on the pocket, and put something on down the arm right here, Grinch vibe or something like that, because I'm going to start styling myself for Christmas that's coming up. So anybody want to purchase this image, it's going to be on the website. Or if you want to just buy a sweatsuit or a shirt with pants to match for Christmas, throw your little red and white little cap on with the little bell hang, with a little ball hanging from the back with this Grinch vibe. That's what we going right here. Yes, yes. So that's what it is. Well, it says Christmas vibe. Well, yeah, Grinchmas vibe. That's what it says. Actually, I got to look at that. Grinchmas. That's what it is. So all these was printed right here on Mammoth. And let me show you guys Goliath. Goliath is over here chilling. Nothing wrong with Goliath. We did these images on Goliath yesterday. These images right here was done on Mammoth right here, like I was showing you guys. Y'all can check out the quality. That was done on Mammoth on the 7900 11-channel printer. I didn't print nothing with Goliath today. Only thing I did was just did a cleaning on Goliath. I printed with Goliath yesterday. I didn't do nothing today. This right here was a color chart that was printed with Goliath. You guys can see the colors. I'm not losing no. Look at that white. I'm not losing no colors. That's A1. But this is not a C1K color chart. I just printed this because I like the vibrant colors to see how my colors is coming out. This right here was printed yesterday on Goliath right here. Guys, this was a test print. He can't pick up his whole his whole images. And this right here, show you guys. Get this over. This ain't even powder right here, but I had printed this out yesterday on Mammoth yesterday. This one was printed on Mammoth. I was just trying to get the colors, everything back right, was banding within the whites, but that's back up and going. So that's what we do. Easy type of work. Now after I finish this, right here, I gotta head on down to the lab and take care of customer's printer. That they came all the way from Phoenix, Arizona. It's 7900 11-channel. I went through the printer, converted it over. Well, it's about to be in a transition of being converted over. What's going on with the printer is basically we have all 11 channels. The print head is completely flushed. Nothing wrong with the print head, but the ink selector is not selecting all the channels to bring it all the way to the ink damper so I can do a knowledge check and see all the channels. So that's a problem that we have with the printer. So I'm gonna reach out to the customer and see if they want to actually go further with the conversion. They want an ink selector. That's what they need. I'm gonna let them know, hey, this is what we need. Because when they bring the printer, I said I'm gonna go through the printer and see what state it's in, get it up and running, and see what we need to go take care of from that point. So now we at that point. So now everything, I flushed the whole ink lines and everything out on the printer. But once we get downstairs, I'll show you guys what's going on. So you guys stay tuned because the video's not over with. Then I explain once I'm down there what's going on. So y'all stay tuned.